Welcome to Aptitude concept videos. Time and work. If you want to solve the problem based on time and work, you should remember these two terms: one day work and total work. Let's see. Consider an example. A and he can come. A is going to paint 4 tables and he can complete the 4 tables in 4 days. Assume all the 4 tables are in equal size. He is going to paint and he can complete all the tables in 4 days. So it means that first day he will complete first table, second day he will complete second table, third day he will complete another one, and fourth day he will complete the remaining one. So now write this in terms of fraction. It means first day he will complete 1/4 of the entire work. So he want to complete 4 tables, he completes only one table. It means 1/4 of the entire work. Second day he completes another 1/4 work. Third day he completes another 1/4, and fourth day he will complete another 1/4. That is 1/4 part of the work he will complete every day. Similarly, assume one more example. Same person A can paint 4 tables in 2 days. Assume he is more efficient and he can paint only in 2 days. It means first day he will complete the 2 tables. Second day he will complete the remaining 2 tables. So it means he will complete half of the work on first day. Second day he will complete the remaining half work. So now look at the relations we got here. If a person completes the work in 4 days, his one day work will be 1/4. So if a person completes the work in 2 days, his one day work will be 1/2. So this is the term you have to remember. Similarly, if we generalize, if a person completes the work in n days, his one day work will be 1/n. So if you remember, you can solve all the problems in time and work. So the reciprocal is also true. For example, a person can complete, for example, if you are getting a question like a particular person's one day work is 1/8. In how many days he will complete the work? It means the reciprocal of this is total answer. If he completes the work in 8 days, his one day work will be 1/8. If a particular person's one day work is 1/8, he will complete the work in 8 days. So you should remember these two. Now, assume another example. A person can complete a work in 3 days. So we know that his one day work is 1/3. Second day he will complete another 1/3, and third day he will complete another 1/3. So the total he will complete the work in 3 days. So I am writing 1/3 for 3 days. So if you add, you will get 3/3, and it is equal to 1. So it means if you reach 1, the work has completed. So total work is equal to 1. So remember these two terms. You will use these values in all the problems. So you have to remember one day work. If they have given one day work, you have to take n. Total work is always equal to 1. Let's discuss a simple example based on this. A can do a work in 12 days and B in 24 days. Working together, they can do it in how many days? So look at this. A completes the work in 12 days. B completes the same work in 24 days. So A's one day work will be 1/12 and B's one day work will be 1/24. So it means first day A and B are working together. So it means we have to add both of their one day work. So 1/12 plus 1/24. So take LCM and add, you will get 3/24, and simplify, you will get 1/8. So if they work together, their one day work will be 1/8. So in how many days they will complete the work? Just reciprocal. Okay, so they will complete the work in 8 days.